Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about the Italian Abacist. So there's always been this dual kind of a track in mathematics, or at least for most of history there has been, where we have a lower level applied mathematics. It uses simple but very powerful applied mathematics to solve problems and to help out um, things such as agriculture, commerce, government, etc. And then we have a higher level mathematics, or a more mathematics for mathematics' sake. And this is sort of where mathematics becomes an art. And has applications, some of the higher level applications to science and other areas, but it's mainly done just for doing mathematics. So this has kind of always existed through, at least through way back in history. Okay. And this lower track certainly existed in Europe in the medieval period, but this area really took off in the early Renaissance as the Hindu-Arabic numerals and the computational techniques with them, including algebraic thinking and Islamic algebra, became more commonplace. So the Abacist, and of course, notice that it has the same root word as an abacus, which basically means calculation. So these are the calculationists, were mathematicians that taught arithmetic and algebra primarily to Italian merchant class. There were many textbooks written at this time, and they popularized Hindu-Arabic numeration and arithmetic. They taught algorithms, but didn't necessarily write about why they work. Now, why would they do that? Well, there may be a number of reasons. One reason is they may wanted to ensure some job security for them to explain why they work, but they also at least taught these algorithms. And so the idea was to raise up the general mathematical level of the rising merchant class, which was growing rapidly in Italy at the time. And this laid the foundation for later advances in higher level mathematics. Um, So think about this. If this dual layer of mathematics still exists today, we have what a research mathematician would consider lower level mathematics. That's the arithmetic and algebra, and geometry, and so forth that you learn in grades, kindergarten through high school, and even the first couple of years of college. And then more advanced mathematics that, math majors or upper level scientists might learn in college or in graduate school, and then the even really higher level mathematics that research mathematicians are creating every day. Now, that doesn't mean that the higher level mathematics can't be applied to real world things. It certainly has, but a lot of times it's been created in and of itself just to solve some intellectual problem, and then later on, those things have been applied to real world things. Other times, it's real world problems that have spurred interest and in mathematical growth. So anyway, these Abacists were able to raise the general level of mathematics in the merchant class and in Europe in general. There are some similar things going on outside of present day Italy, but a lot of this was centered in Italy. And what was the importance of this? Well, it's that first of all, it just made mathematics more known, and known that it was useful to a larger class of folks, particularly this rising merchant class, who some of them started to develop some more money, which could support things like universities and things like just supporting some mathematicians to do higher level mathematics as well as more work on this lower level of stuff. But also notice that this is where the Hindu Arabic numeration and the Islamic uh, algebra and arithmetic and all of this sort of came together to just give us a general mathematical awareness and mathematical ability that laid the foundation for the later advances in Europe.